industry that was working to try to...
Even though the signal light was on, the drivers still took the risk to cross, resulting in the truck bed being dragged and severely deformed. Fortunately, no one was injured. A rocket-like charge, ending with a roar no one had time to dodge. When a small mistake on a truck turns into a life-crushing blow. A moment of carelessness when securing the load, enough to turn a tens of tons machine into a bomb, hurtling down the road. Thought it was just a turn. Who would have guessed it'd be a fall you can't recover from? Trailer still up, but speeding like nothing's wrong. Truly a case of confidently clueless. A disastrous lapse. Luckily, he realized just in time to stop the car. The bridge doesn't ask how tall you are, it just takes your roof if you don't do the math. This is why you should never underestimate load weight during construction. It was a terrifying act of negligence and an unbelievably lucky escape for the mechanic. Overtaking in the rain without proper awareness. It's like placing a bet with death, and no one wants to pay that price. No one knew what was happening, but the quick-thinking driver jumped out just before everything went up in flames. Fortunately, the worst-case scenario was avoided. A wheel flew off, rolling wildly across the highway. It looked like an action movie scene, but it was 100% real. Be cautious with sudden braking. Raising the dump bed to unload sounds simple, but for some drivers, it's a risky stunt. Just one wrong turn of the wheel, and the whole highway nearly turned into a traffic jam.
And to God. And then the Remain offers an answer to David North's... Oh, fucking hell, man, the lorry's just hit a car!
Just 1 second of distraction, and the car almost turned into luggage under the truck.
Fucking hell!
When a driver ignores the rules, the consequences aren't just damaged cargo, they could cost lives. Gravity doesn't forgive carelessness.
Oh my God! Oh.
Thank you all for watching until the very last minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting upcoming content. We promise to bring you even more authentic, dramatic, and emotional footage. See you in the next video.